সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, নিউ ইংলিশ এজু বাংলা চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে তোমাদের সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন। আজকের আলোচনা বিষয় অনার্স চতুর্থ বর্ষের অ্যাপ্রোচ অ্যান্ড মেথড সাবজেক্টের ব্রিফ কোশ্চেনের সাজেশন। এখনও যারা চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি তারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নাও এবং পাশের বেল আইকনটিতে অন করে দাও, যাতে অন্যান্য ভিডিও আপলোড করার সাথে সাথে তোমাদের কাছে পৌঁছে যায়। আর তোমরা যদি আমাদের হ্যান্ড নোট পেতে চাও তাহলে তোমরা আমাদের গ্রুপে জয়েন হতে পারো। গ্রুপে জয়েন হওয়ার লিঙ্ক ভিডিও ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে দেওয়া থাকবে। আসা শুরু করছি আজকের মূল আলোচনা। 1 নম্বর যে কোশ্চেনটি দিয়েছি তা হলো হোয়াট ইজ ল্যাট। আনসার: ল্যাট স্ট্যান্ডস ফর ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ অ্যাকুইজিশন ডিভাইস। 2 নম্বর হোয়াট ইজ স্ক্যানিং। Scanning refers to reading a text quickly to find out a specific information. 3 number, what does skimming mean? Answer: skimming is a reading technique for getting the general ideas about the text. 4 number, what is linguistic imperialism? Answer: when a language is imposed on the speaker of the other languages, it is called linguistic imperialism. 5 number, what is lingua franca? Answer: lingua franca refers to the common language that is spoken in the multilingual language. 6 নম্বর কোশ্চেনটি হলো হোয়াট ইজ স্কেমা। আনসার: স্কেমা ইজ আওয়ার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড নলেজ দ্যাট হেল্প আস আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড অ্যান্ড ইন্টারপ্রিট ইনফরমেশন, ফিলিংস অ্যান্ড ইমোশনস। অথবা এভাবেও লেখা যায়, স্কেমা স্ট্যান্ডস ফর দ্য জেনারেল আইডিয়া অ্যাবাউট সামথিং। 7 নম্বর, হোয়াট ইজ SLA মিন। Answer: SLA stand for Second Language Acquisition. 8 number, what is scaffolding? Answer: scaffolding refers to the assistance from an expert to help learners reach next level. 9 number, what is GPD? Answer: GPD means Zone of Proximal Development. 10 number, how many phrases are there in TBLT? Answer: there are 3 phrases in TBLT and they are the pre-text, the text cycle and the post-text. 11 number question, what is relia? Answer: relia is the real object that is used to teach vocabulary. 12 number, what does the army method refers to? Answer: the audio-lingual method is called the army method. As the method was related to the American army, it is called army method. 13 number, what is critical period in learning language by children? Answer: critical period is a first language acquisition theory in which it is thought that children can learn a language first few years of their life easily, but it is difficult to learn a language after 19. 14 নম্বর কোশ্চেনটি হলো হোয়াট ইজ pedagogy? Pedagogy is the method or practice of teaching academic subject or any theoretical subject. 15 নম্বর কোশ্চেনটি হলো হোয়াট ইজ interlanguage? Interlanguage is a language that is spoken by the second language learners when they try to communicate in the target language. 16 number, define language from the structural point of view. Answer: from the structural point of view, language is a linguistic system that is made up of phonological units, grammatical units and grammatical operations. 17 নম্বর কোশ্চেনটি হলো হোয়াট ইজ PPP? Answer: in language teaching, PPP refers to presentation, practice and production. 18 number, what is approach in language teaching? Answer: approach is the theoretical understanding of how a language learning process happens. 19 number, when was CLT introduced in Bangladesh? Answer: CLT was introduced in Bangladesh in 1919. 20 number, what is ESP? Answer: ESP stands for English for specific purpose. 21 number, what is the main aim of GTM? Answer: the aim of GTM is to enable the learners to read literature in the target language. 22 number, explain language shift. অত্যন্ত কমন। Language shift means the process in which a community stops using one language and starts using another language. 23 number question হলো, what is method? Answer: in language teaching, a method is a set of procedures that are used for teaching the target language. 24 number, what is meant by a target language? Answer: target language means second language or foreign language. 25 number, what does communicative language teaching mean? Answer: communication language teaching means teaching language through interaction for the purpose of effective communication. 26 number, অত্যন্ত কমন, what is effective filter hypothesis? Effective filter hypothesis is a part of the monitor model theory and it is the part of, and in this part Krashen describes some factors that work as the mental block for the learners. 27 number, who wrote the book entitled The Natural Approach? Answer: Stephen Krashen wrote the book. 28 number, what is deductive teaching a grammar? Answer: deductive teaching a grammar refers to teaching the grammatical rules. 29 number, what areas of language are emphasized in GTM? Answer: reading and writing skill are emphasized in grammar translation method. 30 number, what is the interactive view of language? অত্যন্ত কমন, an interactive view of language emphasized learning a language through interaction. 31 number, what is acquisition learning hypothesis? Answer: the acquisition learning hypothesis is a hypothesis that is taken by Stephen Krashen theory of second language acquisition. 32 number, what is the basis rule of the direct method? Answer: the basis rule of the direct method is no translation. 33 number, অত্যন্ত কমন, what is pantomime? Answer: pantomime is a way of expressing information by using the body movement and facial expression. 34 number, in which method pronunciation gets little or no attention? Answer: in GTM pronunciation is given little often attention. 35 number, which method is known as the classical method? Answer: grammar translation method known as the classical method. 36 number, what is TESOL? Answer: TESOL means teachers of English to speakers of other language. 37 number, অত্যন্ত কমন, what is nativism? Nativism is a theory of acquiring the mother language.